Hi, this is Samaira. Welcome back to Open Source IAS. Are you aspiring to crack the UPSC exam but can't afford coaching? Well, you are in luck because today we are going to share with you a step by step guide on how to prepare for UPSC from home without coaching. First of all, understanding the UPSC exam pattern is very important. Before we dive into the preparation strategy, it's essential to understand the UPSC exam pattern. The UPSC exam consists of three stages: prelims, mains, and interview. The prelims exam is objective in nature, while the mains exam is subjective. The interview stage is a personality test. Second, creating a study plan. To prepare for UPSC from home, you need to create a study plan. Here are some tips to help you create a study plan. Set a timer for 6 to 8 hours of study per day. Allocate time for each subject. For example, 2 hours for history, 2 hours for geography, etc. Make sure to take breaks every hour. Revise your progress every week. In this preparation, NCRT books are very important for basic understanding. Subject wise preparation. Here is a subject wise preparation strategy for UPSC. History. Focus on ancient, medieval, and modern history. Use NCRT textbooks and online resources like Insights on India. Geography. Focus on physical geography, human geography, world geography, geography of India, and then use NCRT textbooks and online resources. Polity. Focus on Indian constitution, political system, and governance. Use NCRT textbooks and online resources like Civil Style. Economy. Focus on Indian economy, economic systems, and economic policies. Use online resources like Brunal and Civil Style. Environment and science. Focus on environmental issues, scientific developments, and emerging technologies. Use online resources like Insights on India and Civil Style. Practice and revision. The practice and revision are crucial to cracking the UPSC exam. Here are some tips. Practice UPSC previous year papers and mock tests. Revise your notes and study materials regularly. Join online communities and discussion forums to stay updated. In conclusion, preparing for UPSC from home without coaching requires discipline, dedication, and hard work. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create a study plan, gather study materials, and practice and revise regularly. Remember to stay motivated and focused, and you will be on your way to cracking the UPSC exam. We'll provide you full subject-wise preparation strategy in next video. Thanks for watching Open Source IAS. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more UPSC related content.